Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, and today I'm on board my, what I figure is lucky to even get, 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This may be the entry to the Vantage line, but in no way is this boat anywhere close to an entry-level boat. Let's start at the back with one of the cool features this thing has. It's backed by Venerable's, the brand new Mercury 300 V8. If you haven't been in one of these, in front of one of these motors, you're missing out. And this boat's loaded. You can see the blue color above my head. That matches the blue, Abaco blue hull color on this boat. Of course, this has the table rear. I've shown you many times these rear benches. And what they do is they give you a little dinette area in the back of this boat, and I love it. But this boat refuses. These 230 Vantages with the fish package just won't give up the fishing nature of their boat. You'll see rod holders here and here. 2 more on the transom, so 6 just flat right on the back of the boat. Of course, you got 2 up either side, so you got 10 spots for rods just in the back of this boat. Under the seat I'm kneeling on is a live well. Great option. And since we're talking about the seat, this seat has every convertible ability you can possibly imagine. It will keep your 4-year-old occupied for a ton of time, and they will pinch their fingers. Nature of the beast. Fantastic bathroom on this. Just a lot of space. Excuse the footprint. She just came back from a boat show, and I don't think she'll survive much longer. But guys, this is an incredible family boat that doesn't give up the fishing capability. Whether you're talking about the fresh water at the sink, the fresh water forward, the fresh water at the transom, this boat has options and everything you need taken care of. This is truthfully one of our favorites here to run. It's just, you can't put people on this without putting smiles on their face. That's what this boat does. So if you guys really want to get in, get your friends, get your family involved, this 230 Vantage is an incredible place to start. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2019 Abaco Blue 230 Vantage. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, if you want to see more of these videos, a little bit more about what we have in stock, check out either these links somewhere up on the screen, this corner, that corner down the bottom. I don't know where they are. Our lady does that. Or just subscribe to the channel and you'll get notifications, as long as you turn them on, of when we're putting new videos, new inventory up online, or just a new story about something that we have. We'll talk to you soon.